Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. Aquarius, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that may clear your doubts or give you answers for some circumstances you are seeing today. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Aquarius. So let's start with these cards. We have 3 of air, 10 of earth, and temptation. So, in your circumstances today, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe certain things are going right, you are happy, you have contentment, joy, you are seeing security in your situation, abundance and prosperous changes. Maybe in your work situation, you are seeing fortunate changes happening, fortunate results for all that hard work you did, for the work you did with dedication and devotion. So, you have achieved in your life and happy for the way things are going, guys. And maybe for some of you, it may be in your work situation, guys, or it may be in your relationship. You are quite happy with where things are going with this person in this love. But on certain things, you are quite unhappy, you may not achieve what you expected. So it may be in your relationship or in your career situation, guys. It may be vice versa. In your career you may be happy and in your relationship you have your expectations failing, or it may be a failure in your career or things are going well in your relationship. So for some of you, you are having great expectations on this person, but what is the reality? Reality is somewhere else. It is not matching up to your expectations. Maybe this person does not see you as someone who they love you truly. You are devoted to this love, but they are not, guys. So you need to be careful. And your circumstances are giving you that learning or giving you clarity about this person's heart. Maybe they are not interested in you, they are interested in someone else, or their focus is on someone else, and they are here just for fun with you, guys, and they don't want a meaningful relationship. But Aquarius, you need not worry, guys, because a painful situation or some kind of a rejection you see in life is God's protection, guys. So it is helping you to stay away from more difficult circumstances in your life, Aquarius, and more difficult way things will go. Maybe for some of you, you are involved with this person. Maybe you have too much, you would have trusted them too much or had too much faith on this person, and you love them greatly. That may be the reason, but they are not worthy of your love, guys. And for some of you, they may have some addictive behavior also, and that may again be the reason for some troubles we see in your relationship, guys. So if that is the case, you need to stay away from this person. If you feel that they do not love you truly, you need to stay away from them, Aquarius. So for your relationship, we have Hangman. So again we have uh, a card that says there is a lot of confusion, doubts, and you have done a lot, you have sacrificed a lot for this person, guys. And this may be the time for you to let go of this love and see where things are going. Maybe if this love is meant to be, this person will come back to you, but if not, it was not never meant to be, guys. So you need to understand that, Aquarius. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys. So it's time to let go of this person, Aquarius. So for your career situation, it's Queen of Air. So in your work situation, you need to make clear choices, maybe shrewd choices for yourself if you want success, and you have to plan and think ahead in your career circumstances, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated, and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself. So from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.